Hello, fellow painters, and welcome to the Flowers and Petals course. This is a great course for those of you who are looking to start to advance your painting techniques a little. We deal with a lot of brushstroke technique in this course and all these classes. And another thing that's really unique about this course is that we actually combine acrylic and watercolor painting techniques with acrylic and watercolor paint. So there's going to be a lot of hybrid, as I like to call them, hybrid classes in this course where we create both acrylic and watercolor versions of the same flower or similar flowers right on the exact same page. So like I said, this is a great course for really any advancing beginner if you've been a little bit of experience, or if you don't have any experience at all and you're just looking for that next step. This is going to be great for you. Plus, at the exact same time, we're going to be creating like some of these gorgeous, realistic flowers at the same time while you're doing all that other hard work. So, pick up a brush, fellow painters, and let's get started.